All right, that grand is huge. The major is, understandable. And this fella right here wants to give us something beautiful. I believe we brought in $150 ticket, and we thought, why not make it into much more? Holy crap, the spin button broken. Spin button is been pushed a lot. Holy crap. Okay. Hopefully there's a lot of holy craps being said in a very good way. Keep going. So I love this game. I think this might be my favorite version of Buffalo. I'm not sure. There's so many. Let's see if I can make it my favorite version right now. I think we can. Some beautiful horses. Oh my goodness. There's very tranquil waterfall and a beautiful sunrise going on. Oh yeah. Oh goodness. That's one thing I like about this is the line hits are pretty good. If you can tie together some beautiful buffaloes. I'll get into those in the bonus round. Wowzers. What a situation. So I would love to get, I've gotten it before when I gotten like the coins, special coins. And they gave you something huge. I think it was like extra wild or stuck wild or something. And then plus 75 Chiefs. That was crazy. Wow, it just goes burnt. Give me 10 and give me 10 cents. Cool. That was an interesting noise. Alright, what's going on here? Mr. Buffalo. Okay. Oh, I saw some like plus 10 Chief things fly by. The coins aren't landing, which is upsetting. Let's go at 240 a little bit. One coin landed. Whoops. Oh, what a miss. I said plus something free games over there. So I didn't give you like plus 10 free games. Oh my goodness, too. So that's nice. I think we had like plus 60 or something last time. And I got a huge bonus. It would have been nice to have seen it right there again. Keep going. $9. Lots of nines. But we're over here at the win. 2. See, those are the special, beautiful ones we want to see. Oh my! There was a regular, beautiful one at the top too. Huh? I see what you're doing here, Buffalo. Now, the sad thing about Buffalo is we've gotten a few on our live streams and stuff. When you get the bonus and you get re-triggers like 45 free. Oh my god! Holy crap! Oh. When you get the free spins and then you just get nothing. And the whole bonus rounds. Look at that times 512. What a ridiculous. Lady Luck is smiling. So I've seen it where, well, we've done it where you've seen it too. I'm sure. 2 more. 1. Come on! It's right there. Oh, I really felt it there. But yeah, it's so tough when you get buffaloed. Man. Okay, more. Oh my god, 5. Oh, there was a plus whatever over there. Plus 20. Cute little ripper. Wifey loves it when I say that to her. Okay, what's going on? Oh wow, something's happening. 15. Okay, that's right. So this is when those like in, what is it? Dragon Link, when we get multiple ones, we're like, oh no, need 4 symbol curse. So this is obviously very nice to get it. Come on. Yes. Holy crap, you won. 2. What's that? Yeah. No, don't do it. Oh, plus 3 games, so huge. Okay, Bears. Okay, 10s. Okay. Oh no. Here's some coins. Holy crap, don't do that to us. Well, that was just 2. 1 more. Yes. The preemptive yes is never good. But this is good. Yes. Oh my god, keep going. Holy crap. Please, 1. Oh, coin. I'm furious. I'm hearing Seal too in the background. That would have been, if there's, two more, that would have been maybe a hand pay, who knows. Well, that was not big enough for all that. Where's our free games left? Okay, on the top. Yes. Chief. Yes, he's right there. Please, for the love. Man, if there was a chief there with the times 8. Coins, please. Go, coin. Oh. The whole thing was in there. Okay, well, we're above what we bought in for. That's something interesting. Stunning. Whoa. Very stunning. 25x. Is there such thing as back-to-back in this game? I believe there has to be. It's within the rules. Oh my god. Right there would be huge. It's right there. You gotta be kidding me. With the extra wild on the second reel too, that's where you want it. That was not even our bet back? Wow. Do it. 320, please. You can do it, Buffalo. No, you can't. You can't do it yet. Keep going. Oh my god, 1. Yes. I just thought preemptively. That's like very optimistic though. Here, yes. See? I did block my Buffalo. There's a lot of big coins flying around. I'm seeing a full. That's so awesome that you can get these full stacks within the regular game. Holy crap, make it happen. That's how you do it. Oh my god, do it again. Bam, bam, bam. That 4 symbol trigger was nice, but if it did it with 5, I'm pretty sure it's 100x. And then we had the chance for the Locket and Wilds too, which was crazy. Right on the second one, right after that. I saw it. Come on, win. Let's win big at the win today. Why not us? Huh. Oh. See, if you get it with this, did we get anything last time? We just got the 4 symbol trigger, I think. It wasn't anything that came along with it. $320. Oh my god, please keep going. Oh. Barely gives your bet back. You would think, okay, well, it really counts when it's 3 or 4 in a row. Oh, there's so many juicy coins. Whoops. Oh my goodness. Yes. Just make it easy. Ooh. The extra wild right there. Oh my god. Yes, come back. Now big one. Come. Either that here. Okay, huge one. 5x. Oh. 30x. Pretty good. Aces so you can... Yeah. I have a master stroke. 14. Interesting. I think it'd be bigger. I had a master stroke there. You think it would be a little bit more an advantageous bonus. Okay. Oh, let's see. Great spin, mate. To all my Aussie friends. I miss you guys in the live streams. Oh, he's impressed. Okay, so here's this. Oh my god, please. Oh my god, please. Oh my god, I I really had myself clenched right there. 320 bet. 320 bet too. And it was the one with the extra situation going on, which would have made it really nice. It's like our buddy to the left got something. Come on. We just want to see one of those massive buffalo pages. We've seen them, we know that they're in existence. They've not been in our existence. Huh. What's this? About $4. Let's just try. A couple here. This is how your bankroll goes away when you come in with some certain. Oh. You know, if he's not giving you anything and then you try to push your luck, sometimes stuff happens. And you're like, who else is there to blame but blame itself? Or something like that. 2? 2 again? Oof. I'm not gonna ask for 2 anymore. We were holding our own for a little while. There's the balance that we were always talking about. Leave or stay. Go to a new machine. Holy crap. Those wilds in the bonus round are crazy. Oh my goodness. Big. Please, don't just do a random coin. No. You're incredible. So there's obviously no progressives in this game, so it should mean it gives you some good payouts. But it is Buffalo. So 2 more. Oh, and you block all of our Buffalo. 2 more coins, please. There's a big one I just saw. Holy crap, I saw it. Yes. Oh, that's my fault. I keep doing the preemptive yes. I keep doing the preemptive yes, but I'm just optimistic. So our 150 was hovering around 150 for a long time. I didn't give any preemptive yes, and it was right there. This is the one that was giving us something, so. Boom, boom. I want to see the runner. It's the last 3 reels. Just utilize them. Oh my. Yeah, I was going to say we needed that first time. Last spin, we could have used that. There was 2 on that one reel. I didn't even say anything. I didn't say anything then, I'm not going to say anything now. I didn't say anything during the spin. I didn't say anything after the spin. Just crying a little bit. I don't want to talk about it. It's December. It should be a Christmas spirit within this big, beautiful, majestic animal. Imagine a 1600X. And I've seen Mr. Mike hit like the biggest one I've ever seen in my life. Just like kept going. It was really crazy. connection would be just really helpful, you know? Like a full connection. There was one that was huge when the bald eagles got in the middle of it. Plus 2 free games, that's interesting. That was the one we were looking for with the extra wild and 20 chief. That was the one. We can get it back now. I believe in miracles. Big white glare on the screen. Bam. That was really still on my mind, that last one. That was the one we were looking for, the magical. There's no guarantees even if you get that in Buffalo, we know that. But just one of these random coins. Buffalo should be wild as well. Who else seconds this notion? As Ed Sheeran is singing to me right now, I feel like my heart is broken, Ed Sheeran. And when you're left with 69 cents, you know what time it is. It's time to go find another machine. That was interesting. Got one bonus, a lot of close calls. That is Buffalo. But we're gonna go find another one and we'll be back. Thanks for watching, friends. We have 4 symbol buzzsaw. What does that mean? Hopefully mansion feature or buzzsaw feature. Usually it means something else. Okay, it's not that, thank goodness. Keep going. Oh my god, keep going. Alright, well, mega hat. It was a howl and we got 4. It's really nice if you get it on buzzsaw. It's really nice if you get it on, what's it called? Mansion feature, because each one of them turns into, whoops. I don't even know what number we're on. Okay. It is 10 to get it. Let's get a lot of retriggers. A little bit of... I've always been getting like unlucky on these. The howl bonuses. I think it's not. Some people say they're more lucky. It's just this game, I guess. We have a lot of good targets. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Whoops. 3, 3, 3, 3. Alright. Oh. And it's about what I said. Like 4 or 5 dead spins. Alright. Can you see a coin in the cabin? Is the major eligible in the cabin? I forgot about that. $6.50. All right. Immediate back to back. Yes. No. All right. We'll be back.